So guys, here you can see one more time we came out the Rayyan, and in today's Python video of Rayyan, I am telling about understanding the for loop with an else branch. So yeah, we are learning about it in today's video. So now see the video start to it, and please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss out any future related reviews about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computers and let's now talk about understanding the Python for loop with an else branch. So let's move computers and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you can see it. One more time came out the Python, and in today's Python video, I am telling about the in the Python and what understanding the Python for loop with an else branch. So yeah, we are learning about it in today's Python video. So let's learn about it and let's understand the Python for loop with an else branch. So let's understand it. Python for loops has a unique feature where it can be combined with an else branch. This clause executes only if the for loop completes without the encountering a break. Here's the breakdown. In this example code, we are using the for loop with else. Okay, let me show you here. This is a one list of numbers, and then this is the searching for a specifying number. Then here we define this type of code. Here you can see it. Let me enter press here. Okay. Here we do like this, enter and then enter. Here now this is one code of for loop with else. Okay, now you can see it. Now let me copy it, and here we use the else also, else statement. Now first of all let me copy it. So here our all code and came. Now let me save it and run it. So it gave me in the output checking 1, checking 2, checking 3, checking 4, checking 5. The target 6 was not found in the list. Here you can see it. Like that we can do it very easily. First of all, here we define our list of numbers, and our list name is numbers, and in the here I give the number like 1 2 3 4 5, and then here we are searching for a specified number like target equals to 6, and then here we define a for loop. In the for loop we write like num in numbers, then I write a print function. In print function I write like f string, then double comma, in the double comma I write like check, then in the curly brackets I write like num dot dot, then if statement, then num equals to target, then in the print function I write like f double comma, in the double commas I write like found the target, then in the curly brackets I write like num, and then here we define a break statement, then else statement, and in the 14 line of code this only runs if the loop doesn't encounter a break. Okay, this runs only if the loop doesn't encounter a break. Okay, so like that we can build it. So now let me give you another example. Let me come on it here. Key points to remember. Let me tell you some key points to remember, then we end this video. First, when else is run, one key point of when else is run, then the else block executes if the for loop iterates over all elements without a break. Number 2, when else doesn't run, if a break is encountered inside the loop, the else block is skipped. Number 3, use the cases. First point, searching for an item in a collection. Number 2, running a fallback logic when the loop's condition isn't met. So these 3 points I have told you to remember. Okay, and I have in today's video I told you about the understanding the Python's for loops. Okay, with an else branch. So in today's video we learn about it. So I hope you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notifications will also now mention any future related videos about the Python. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos, and this small video I know, so sorry for that. So but anyways, I meet you next class next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.